nothing but to fight and come to me. And I'm gonna sing.
Kamu tuh kanta.
I'm gonna sing. I'm gonna sing. LOL.
Sige mo ng Minecraft.
I remember tears streaming down your face when I said I'll never let you go. When all those shadows almost killed your light. I remember you said don't leave me here alone. But all that's dead and gone and past tonight.
Basta wala liwak, pumutuong, trabaho na.
Just close your eyes. The sun is going down.
Trabaho ko, ako siguro una makatrabaho sa iyo ha.
No one can hurt you now. Come morning light, you will now be safe. And
Ito na sa una.
down.
Wala lang man, kaya wala siya sugo-sugoon. Figura na mo lingkod. Ano sugo niya dapat kaming duha nagabuhat? Siya, igura mo sugo.
Don't you dare look out your window, darling, everything's on fire. The world's good, dark is raging on.
One. Sorry?
Hold on to this lullaby. Even when music's gone, gone. Just close your eyes. The sun is going down. You'll be alright.
Paragon
No
ba?
one can hurt you now. Come morning light,
Lang daw ang
you
budget.
will now be safe and
Ikaw magkaitlano eh. Pati ka ng ma. Good ma. Kanina, natin po lang utang na. Pag-remind ako, mag-singgit-singgit eh. Tawag na ganyan, nag-pinuto kayo eh.
Just close your eyes.
Musi type na, pangit kung dinalhan ba? Kung wala, may dira.
You'll be alright.
Pati mo ito ba ang customer, di mo tago, walang amaw.
Come
Tago siya kami yan.
morning
Pakuha,
light,
nagtabot may kung naay mag-imply
you
kami
will
doon.
now be
Ito
safe
mga yung 100.
and
Muntag na ko sa Paragon.
down. Ooh, 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 ooh,
Tawi, nakabalot to siya. Isang pamukha na akong utang. Tawi siya niya. Tawi, maulawan ko, makalagot ba? Wala sa lugar, makaulaw. Grabe, lagi. Nanay, kuwanan. Grabe, sa buwan. Tawi, kapoy.
Sorry for the background.